Good day, everyone. I am EDUKADO, your I am EDUKADO teacher. And let's proceed with the new topic in Mathematics Grade 7. And this is what we call sets. So what is sets? Ano nga ba sinasabi nating sets? So here are the following. So ito yung tatakbuhin ng ating presentation. We have the types of sets and the operations on sets. Now let us first define kung ano ba yung sinasabi nating set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects called the elements or members of the set. Sa loob kasi ng set, pwede siyang, yung laman niya ay tinatawag nating members or usually tinatawag nating elements. For example, ang set ng isang family ay naglalaman ng parents at ng children. So, yun ay isang halimbawa ng set. Sa pang-example, grade 7 subjects. So, ano ang kanyang mga elements? Pwede pong mathematics grade 7, araling panlipunan grade 7, ESP grade 7, and so on. So, yun ang sinasabi natin sets. A specific set can be defined in two ways. So, may dalawang paraan para malaman kung ano ba yung sinasabi nating specific set. First way is, if there are only a few elements, they can be listed individually by writing them between curly braces, and placing commas in between. Ito yung sample natin. Yung braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then the second way of writing set is to use a property that defines elements of the set. Example, yung x is odd and 0 is less than x and less than 100. If x is an element, 0, set A, it can be written as like this. Ayan po. If x is not an element of A, it can be written as ganyan po. So dito, balikan natin itong una. If x is an element of set A, it can be written as, ito po yung susulat natin. X is an element of set A. Pero kung hindi naman, x is not a subset of A. Ayan. So, malino naman po sa atin kung ano yung set saka yung ways niya para isulat ito. Now, let's go with the special sets. So, ang sets ay may mga special factors po yan. Standard notations used to define some sets. Yung una po is yung N, or stands for set of all natural numbers. Another is yung Z, Z of all integers. Then we also have Q, set of all rational numbers. R, set of all real numbers. And C, set of all complex numbers. Now let's proceed with types of sets. So ano ba itong mga types of sets na ito? Subset. Ito yung una. Pag sinabi natin subset, if every element of a set A is also an element of set B, then we can say that set A is a subset of set B. Ganito po natin siya isusulat. A is a subset of B. Ayan. Example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, pag sinulat natin yan, then B is a subset of A. Sir, bakit po naging subset si B ni set A? Kasi po, si 1, 2, 3, 4 ay bahagi lamang ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kaya po, subset. Kaya po, pag halimbawa, nakalagay dito ay sa A ay 1, 2, 3, 4 at sa B naman ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ang sulat natin ay then A is a subset of B. So, yun po yung kanyang subset. In reality, pwede natin ilagay na, halimbawa, sa classroom, meron tayong elements na teachers, students. Yan yung set A. Doon sa set B naman, sa classroom, meron tayong elements na teachers, meron tayong students, then books. So, pag sinulat natin siya, then A is a subset of B. So, lagi pong nasa unahan yung mas kaunti ang elements kumpara sa mas maraming elements na set. Now, let's go with equal sets. Ang equal sets naman, two sets, A and B, are called equal if they have equal numbers and similar types of elements. Example, A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Ibig sabihin po nun, ayan, A is subset of B, then B is a subset of A. Meaning, parehas sila ng bilang ng elements. Example, if A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then si B ay 4, 1, 5, 6, and 3, tingnan mabuti na parehas lang ang laman na elements niya. Therefore, we can say that set A and set B are equal to each other. So, yun po ang sinasabi nating equal sets. Now, let's go with empty sets. So, empty from the word empty. A set which does not contain any elements is called empty set, or sometimes null set or void set. Pag sinulat natin siya, ito po, bilog na may roong slash, or sometimes braces na walang elements. Ayan. Pag nakakita tayo ng ganyan, meaning empty sets yun. Example, yung A, the set of whole numbers is less than 0. Ibig sabihin po nun, clearly, there is no whole number less than 0. Kasi nga, therefore, it is an empty set. Wala kasing numbers na less than sa 0. Tama po. Therefore, pag sinulat natin siya, ito po yun. N is equal to braces X colon X is subset of, ayan. So, ito po, paliwanag lang natin mabuti ha. So, let A is equal to X colon 2 less than X less than 3. Then, X is a natural number. So, kapag natural number, diba, it stands with letter N. So, here A is an empty set because there is no natural number between 2 and 3. So, that's it. Another example. Let B is equal to X colon, or X is to X is a composite less than 4. So, here B is an empty set because there is no composite number less than 4. So, usually naman po, kapag ganyan, sinusulat natin na lang sila as braces. Now, let's go with singleton set. Ang singleton set is a set containing exactly one element only. Example, let B is equal to X is to X is an even prime number. Here, B is a singleton because there is only one prime number which is even 2. Ayan. So, A is equal to X is to X is neither prime nor composite. Singleton set nito kasi isa lang naman ang pwedeng number dyan. At yun ay ang number 1. So, kapag sinabi natin singleton, ibig sabihin po, isa lang ang set, isa lang ang element na nasa loob ng set. Now, let's go with finite set. A set which contains a definite number of elements is called a finite set. Empty set is also called a finite set. Eto po, pag sinabi kasi natin finite set, fix yung elements sa loob. Example, the set of all colors in the rainbow. So, ano ba yung mga colors ng rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So, yung 7 colors na yun yung nasa colors of the rainbow. So, yung elements na yun ay fix. Kaya po, finite set. Then, another example. Ito pong pangalawa. N is equal to X is to X. Then, subset of N, X is less than 7. So, yan pa lang po ay isang example kaagad ng finite set. Last example. P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on up to 97. Lahat yan ay isang example din ng finite set. So, ito naman yung infinite set. Infinite set, the set whose elements cannot be listed. Example, set containing never-ending elements is called an infinite set. Example natin na ito po. Set of all points in a plane. A is equal to X is to X. Subset of N, X is greater than 1. Then, set of all prime numbers B is equal to X is to X. Subset of W, then X is equal to 2N. All infinite sets cannot be expressed in roster form. Now let's go with cardinal number of a set. The cardinal number of a set, the number of distinct elements in a given set A, is called cardinal number of A. It is denoted by like this. Yan, N parenthesis A. For example, A brackets X is to X, subset of N, then X is greater than 5. So, pag sinulat pa natin siya, ibig sabihin, ito po yung elements na meron kay A. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ibig sabihin po, si A, ang mga elements niya ay hindi tataas sa 5. Kasi nga po si 5 ito. So, therefore, ang kanyang cardinal number ay N, A, or parenthesis A is equal to 4. Ayan po yun. One example. Here's the element of set B. Set of letters in the word algebra. So, dito, sa algebra, kasi pag binila mo po yung algebra, A, L, G, E, B, R, A. Ilang letters? 7. Pero kasi pag sinulat natin siya as set, yung A, ayan po, L, G, E, B, R, dapat may A pa. Pero hindi na kasi nakasulat ni A. Pagkatapos, bilangin mo lang kung ilan yung elements sa loob. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, therefore, ang cardinal number niya ay 6. So, balik tayo dito sa isa kanina. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilan ang kanyang cardinal number? 4. Now, let's go with disjoint sets. Sa disjoint sets, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they do not have any element in common. So, walang pagkakatulad sa elements. For example, ayan o, A, X is to X is a prime number, then B, X is to X is a composite number. Siyempre, si prime number at si composite number ay hindi talaga magiging magkatulad. So, magkaiba talaga. So, pag sinulat natin, clearly, A and B do not have any element in common and are disjoint sets. So, halimbawa, ang set A ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung set B naman ay 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, So, pag sinulat natin sila, as is lang, kasi nga po, wala namang pagkakatulad. Magkakaiba ang kanyang elements. Now, let's go with power set. Sa power set naman, the collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by like this, capital P and A. In P, A, or power set of A, every element is a set. Example, if A is equal to elements of P and Q, then all the subsets of A will be ganito. P, A, ayan po. P, our power set of A is equal to empty set, tapos P. Then Q, P, and Q. So, ganun po natin siya isusulat. Another, number of elements, ito po, of power of A, power set of A, ayan po, is equal to 4. Then is equal to 22. In general, ganito po siya. 2m, where m is the number of elements in the set A. Now, let's go with universal set. Universal set is a set which contains all the elements of other given sets. It's called a universal set. The symbol for denoting a universal set is U, or like this symbol. For example po, ayan po, if A is equal to 1, 2, and 3, then B is equal to 2, 3, and 4, then C is equal to 3, 5, 7, so susulat mo lang siya as universal set. Ganito po siya. U, kunin mo yung 1, 2, and 3 dun sa universal, sa set A, then kunin mo rin po sa B, si number 4. Kasi po, naisulatan natin si 1, 2, 3. So, si 2 and 3. So, therefore, hindi mo nasusulat yun. So, kunin mo na si 4. Then, sa set C, kunin mo si 5 and 7. So, yun yung elements niya. Kasi yun yung kanyang kabuuan. Then, dito, here is A is a subset, is a set of U. Then, B is a set of U. C is a set of U, and U is a subset. A, U is a subset of B, U is a subset of C. Another, if P is a set of whole numbers, and Q is a set of all negative numbers, then the universal set of all of this is what we call integers. Oo nga naman, di ba po? Another, if A is equal to A, B, and C, then B is equal to D and E, then C is F, G, H, I, then the universal set will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Kukunin mo lang lahat kasi magkakaiba sila ng elements. So, yun yung universal set. Now, let's go with some operations on sets. There are 4 basic operations of sets. First, union of sets, intersection of sets, complement of the set, then Cartesian product of sets. Unahin natin si union of set. Union of 2 given sets is the smallest set which contains all the elements of both the sets. Ito po yun. Pag pinagsama natin yung A at B, ito yung union yung nasa gitna. Yan. So, A, union of B, is equal to, ayan, halimbawa, ang value ng isang element ay X, then, slash, X. Ayan. Therefore, yung A, or the X, is a subset of B. So, dito naman sa intersection, let A and B are sets. The intersections of two sets A and B, denoted by like this intersection A and B, is the set of consisting of all elements which are in A as well as in B. Ito po yan. So, kapag hinighlight kasi itong nasa gitna lamang, ganito po natin siya isusulat. Yan. A is an intersection set of B. Yan. Sa complement of a set naman, if U is an universal set of containing set A, then U dash A is called complement of a set. So, therefore po, ito po yung U, yung blue. Then, yung A po is yung set. So, part lang siya ng kabuuan ng isang set. So, that's it. So, hopefully, you learn a lot from this topic, sets and its operations, and how we write the sets, its kinds. If you have any questions, you can make a message via a Facebook page, I am EDUKADO, or simply make a chat in this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.